Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. An important announcement. So, coming to Mumbai after a long time, 17th and 18th of January 2026, my first workshop in 2026 will be in Mumbai. I think for a long time I have not been to Mumbai. So, in January, I will be coming definitely. Our Chennai workshop date 24 and 25. Those who are interested can look at the description for the contact numbers and can register. Yesterday, the US markets rallied on back of a strong momentum in technology stocks. The Google, the Alphabet started moving higher ever since Berkshire Hathaway started investing in Alphabet shares. And Tesla also shot up yesterday about 6-7%. Nvidia also recovered. It was like when everybody has written off the US markets, the US markets are recovering. Because the US markets recovered, the Asian markets are also higher. But however, the GIFT Nifty is not likely to show any enthusiasm. That's because number one, F&O positioning ahead of the monthly expiry, and number two, FIA selling. FIAs have sold for more than 4,000 crores yesterday. And number three, the Bank Nifty has fallen nearly 600 points from intraday high to intraday low. So probably I'm thinking, so this selling is maybe due to the Bank Nifty index adjustment by HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. But in fact, HDFC Bank was not in red yesterday, it was in green. But despite that, a 600 point fall in Bank Nifty, that too one day ahead of the expiry day, it's a little bit disturbing. The bulls, they are losing the heart because, after 1 month, Nifty is only flat. October series, we ended somewhere near, 25,936. And now it is, it's only hardly 25-30 point higher after 19 trading sessions. Today is the last trading session in November series. So the bulls are hoping that Nifty will close above 26,000. The last 1 week, the range is about 25,800 to 26,300. So if 26,000 is not reclaimed within few minutes of market opening, then the next support is only at 25,800. So today we can expect Nifty to trade between 25,800 and 26,100, and selling expected at higher levels. And in fact, for a third straight day, Nifty closed below the opening level in the morning. And, an average of 100 point fall every day, last 3 trading sessions. So that is the picture now. So maybe, there are some global positive news. Number one, the crude oil prices are falling because of the ceasefire talk between Russia and Ukraine. And then President Trump has spoken to Chinese president. So that revives the hope of a trade deal with China and India. So, the crude oil prices are lower. There is a expectation that the trade deal will be done between India and US. So there are a lot of positives. But despite that, markets are just consolidating only. Anyway, consolidation is also good. In the month of October, Nifty shot up nearly 6%, and in November, it is just only consolidating and not even 0.5% plus or minus. Exactly how much we will know by the end of the day. Then starts the December series. December series is a long series, which is a 5-week series. So stock wise, yesterday the Reliance Industries came under a good selling pressure, and in fact, uh, most of the indices were down except IT index. But surprisingly, even Infosys is down in US ADR. When it comes to US ADR, Infosys, TCS, Infosys, ICICI Bank, and HDFC Bank, all three stocks were down. So, but despite that, so I still feel that Nifty may close about 26,000, maybe between 26,000 and 26,100. So that is my expectation, but let us see what is going to happen. Stock wise, so the same thing, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance. These are the only three stocks I focus a lot because that has 33% weightage in index. Because in Nasdaq moved significantly higher, we can expect IT index to do well, but on the other side, Infosys is down in US ADR, so the signal is a confusing signal. So let us see what is going to happen. But one thing can be sure, expiry day, the volatility will be higher. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.